Freedom. Freedom, man.
Motherland, we go free Africa. Come follow me, free up motherland, we go free Africa. Free up the hungry youth in the place Rwanda. Freedom is a right and it's no privilege. Come follow me, freedom is a right and it's no privilege. We calling on the juntas all over the place. Come follow me, free up job people in this identity. I mean freedom of speech.
I wanna feel so
is called freedom. Come follow me, this sounds called is called freedom. Free of the people and me say free of the land. Come follow me, free of the people and me say free of the land. Anything we own is our own.